Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer money safely on Capitec application. So this should be the landing page of Capitec, okay? You're gonna have two options actually. One is signing in and one is opening an account. So please disregard opening an account because it will give you a lot more steps and actually it's a hassle. So you don't have to have an account here to use this application. So please choose sign in. And by the way, just a key reminder that in order to use this one, it's somewhat the same as Wise, PayPal, or Gcash. You don't have to have an account on the bank to use it. So anyway, click myself or for my business if you're using this for business, of course. But for the sake of the discussion, I'm just gonna use myself. Click on Get Started right there. So these are the steps to use. Enter account number, enter PIN, verify your identity, and start using the app or sending money. So of course, with this one, we're gonna use a dummy account. Let me just get my dummy account right here. So savings account number, just input your savings account number right there. I'm gonna try and use this one. Okay. Now while I'm using this one, by the way, I think it will not go through because this is already a closed account. So anyway, since it went through, I'm thinking I'm gonna stop here. So with this one, just enter the number of your phone and the number of the beneficiary that you want to send to. So once you enter that one, send the money and click send, the beneficiary will receive the money that you've been sent. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.